Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tonkeeper. We go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Tonkeeper. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.